Mohammad welcome to International Conference on Social Science and Technology. Our paper ID is 069056. Our topic is the impact of color vision defect on travel destination selection. So four researchers work together with Dr. Morakinyo&Tawhid as the main researchers. Me, myself, is Tawhid Riyaj. What is CVD? Color vision deficiency. CVD is in the inability to distinguish certain shades of colors. There are this, different types of CVD we can see for different type of rods and cones available in our human retina. Objectives of this study to determine the prevalence of red-green color vision defect in Dhaka city of Bangladesh, to analyze the impact of CVD on travel destination selection, where color is the main point of attraction. This is the research framework. Our assumption is that travel destination selection process is basically dependent on color features of travel destinations, which gets impacted with color vision defect. So these are the real pictures of two travel destinations, popular travel destination of Bangladesh. The left side are the real pictures, and the right side shows the how it deviates from and loses attraction for the color vision defected people. Interesting finding is that for the blue type of destination, travel destinations, it doesn't get deviated too much, so it doesn't lose too much attractions. Another popular tourist destination is Dhaka University Karjan Hall, where you can see the red brick building in front of their greeneries. But for the color vision defected, through this color vision defected simulation, we found that it completely loses its attraction. So methodology, in our case, we did 557 samples. 557 samples. We tested them with color vision defected tests, which is called Ishihara 38 plates. Expert opinion has been taken with the professional medicine doctor. Sampling, non-probability confidence sampling were there. For the hypothesis testing, we did the hypothesis testing whether the global data available and our result was completely different, significantly different or not. We tested it through hypothesis testing. Later we categorized the travel destinations into three categories, which is green category, red category, and blue category. We did show our samples through all the categories, travel destinations, and the result we found for the color vision defected travelers, and for the total set of travelers, for our case, whether they are significantly different or not, we have tested it through t-testing. So this is the result. We found 557 samples with male 344 and female 213, and in our case we found only 14 people who are all male, so no female found CVD. So only 14 people found CVD. The right side shows basically the age-wise color vision defects in our data. The hypothesis testing we did, the whether our data, which is 2.51% people found color vision defect, and in global data shows that there are 8% males and 0.5% females are colorblind. Whether these two data are significantly different or not, we tested it through hypothesis testing and found that these are not significantly different. Then we have asked the preference of colors. So these are the preference of colors according to them. Preferred scenic beauty of travel destinations for all the 557 samples were also tested. So we found that most of them likes a blue ocean types of thing. But interesting finding is that when we shown them the color, travel destination based on colors. So in general cases, 42.55% shows they like green travel destination, but for the color vision defected people, which comes to 14%. So why is this deviation for the color vision defected travelers? So we have tested through t-test. So we found that yes, there is a completely deviation found for the color vision defected travelers who didn't like the red green type of travel destinations too much like the general people. So coming to our conclusion is that this study found the red green color vision defect with 2.5% people in Dhaka city, with 2.33% deuteron and 0.002% proton. This study also found that the travelers with color vision defect prefer blue category locations over red green category ones, though the whole population was not severely affected tourism industry decision makers must include understand CBD affected people's difficulties. So this is the entire thing for us. Thank you very much for listening to our presentation. Thank you.